Hey guys, how to turn photos into digital art using Runway AI. So first of all, go ahead to the official website and click try Runway, right? And then basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and click or scroll a little bit down, sorry. And you're gonna see the Runway's AI tool. Click view AI tools and you're gonna see the multiple AI tools. You can just go ahead right here and select the AI tool that you want. Let's say, for example, let's select depth of field, image, variations, infinite image, or expand images. Let's say, for example, image to image, right? And then what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just go ahead and add my photo. So I'm gonna drag my photo to be here, right? And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna type in my prompt. Let's say, for example, digital art, blue environment. This is an example, by the way. Environment, right? And here you're gonna see the style. Select your style. Say cartoon-ish, right? A number of outputs, let's say just make it 1 for the sake of this video, and then hit generate. You're gonna wait for a few moments until they generate that prompt. All right, we're gonna wait for a few moments right here and we're gonna get back to you. And as you can see, this is the final results. Not ideal, of course, but you can see that you can do that and train the Runway AI to master the art. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.